Hello, I'm Jeff Jr., and today we're talking about guns, specifically how they get handled after you pass on, not the regulations. That's a totally different video. Now look, no matter where you land in the political debates, the fact is that about 1 in 3 people own guns in America, according to a Gallup poll from October of this year. However, it's not as easy as you might think to hand down the firearms when the owner passes away, even if it's a family heirloom. So why get a gun trust? Heck, what is it even? A gun trust is a revocable trust created to hold title to firearms. Gun trusts are also referred to as NFA trusts because they are typically created for guns subject to Title II of the National Firearms Act. That includes short-barreled rifles, suppressors, machine guns, and short-barreled shotguns. Gun trusts can make it easier to handle firearms after the owner's death and may prevent the surviving family members from inadvertently violating the law. Violating federal gun laws, even accidentally violating the law, could result in a loss of the firearm, a prison term of up to 10 years, and fines up to $10,000 in some cases. Not good. A gun trust protects family members from the potential criminal liability for having your firearms after you're gone. The beneficiaries will be allowed to possess, transport, and even sell your guns without fear of punishment. As well as protecting them, a gun trust protects your cherished pieces. You can give care instructions and pass on advice for preserving their value. But for any gun owner, the most critical point of having a gun trust is just to simplify the transfer process, whether that's an NFA gun or otherwise. You can specify who gets what and at what age they're entitled to receive them. That means less family conflict and not having to deal with lengthy transfers of firearms or the fees. Gun trusts also shield your firearms from creditors like lawsuits or divorce cases. A gun trust can also prevent firearms from being considered countable assets when Medicaid calculates for long-term health care in nursing homes. Now, our advice is not to attempt this complex area of estate planning without first getting the right legal advice. Especially, be wary of any services described as do-it-yourself gun trusts that can be set up in a few minutes. Frankly, be wary of any cheap online do-it-yourself trust kit. Not good again. I know we have at least one attorney on staff who is a gun enthusiast with extensive experience helping individuals adequately protect all of their assets through trust formation, including their guns. Plus, once you set up your gun trust, if there are future state or federal changes to gun control laws that affect your wishes, you can amend your trust quite easily. So, contact Trajan Wealth today. We have retirement planning and trust services all under one roof, and we would be honored to help you.